Okay, so now I will introduce you the AI mining income. At first, you need to go first main page and you need to press XX, and the first you need to transfer in your account the money. For amount is need to press there, and its maximum amount is if you whatever you want you can transfer. I will transfer 101. Okay, so now we got it. So we need to go main page and AI mining. So that is AI mining. I will explain you AI mining income in detail for you. AI mining is a fixed income. Make order with different friends, and different friends can be updated. So let's say you have $1,000 in your AI account, so you can place order for VIP4. I will show you VIP4 AI mining, and if you have $1,000, so you need to go VIP AI4. So fixed income of $24 per day, and the funds and every day will be automatically returned to your AI account after 60 days. So you need to put the amount and 1,000, then so mining. So its operation is successful. So if you want how many times you mining, so you can see there. You can. So that is the first time for me, and that is the second time for me. So I just want to explain. You need to be careful not manually close the order before it ends after the order starts. So failure to do so will result in a 50 loss of the principal amount of the order. So at the same time, in your level, I will explain for your level. So level 1 members contest AI mining as your commission. The commission level for AI mining is level 5. I will explain you AI mining for level 5. For level 5, 10% of their 1 member profits. Okay, so level 3. Level 3 is 6%, and 6% of their 2 member profits. This is the same. Level 4 is 4%, and level 5 is 2%. That is the order of AI mining explained for you. So I hope you understand what I explained it. Okay.